Alright mga dude pare, for those of you who were interested sa Radar pickup truck, the full EV pickup truck na feature ko doon sa isang reel ko, sa isang video ko, well pare, I'm sure you're wondering ano itsura niya sa loob. Well, pasok tayo sa loob para tingnan natin. Yes. So just like any workhorse pickup truck, you see we have fabric seats here. You do have urethane steering wheel, then very utilitarian, very basic, but still high-tech. Meron pa rin tayong malaking infotainment system dyan. Meron tayong digital instrument gauge there. And of course, yan ang shifter. Yan ang itsura ng dashboard niya. And yung likod, mukhang maluwag naman mga dude pare. So, recap lang, this is a full electric mid-size pickup truck from the Geely Group. It's under the Radar sub-brand. Yes, and you can see, yan ang itsura niya sa likod, sa labas. Ganda. Sana naman dumating sa Pilipinas to. Kasi ang ganda niya. Awesome.